Hello, BOCS Eagles families. This week has been amazing. We hosted our back to school night and we had a lot of families coming in to check out our classrooms. If you didn't get a chance to come, feel free to contact our teachers or our main office. Any questions that you may have about your students' learning, make sure that you're letting us know so that we can support you. Also, next week is going to be a busy one. Remember that Tuesday, every Tuesday is College Day. Our students are encouraged to wear their college shirts so that they could continue to show their school pride, but also their future dreams. On Wednesday, we do have a suicide awareness workshop that we will be hosting after school from 4 to 5:30. Please join us. We will be hosting it and also having dinner with the families that come and join us. Thursday and Friday will be absolutely important. We're hosting our first award ceremonies for this trimester. You will get an announcement about your students' awards. Also Friday, please make sure that you don't miss this event. We are hosting our Hispanic Heritage Celebration. It'll be so much fun and we look forward to seeing you here. Our BOCS Eagles are amazing and our BOCS Eagles soar. Thank you.